Okay, how to clean up your cast iron. This is an update on how to clean the cast iron. Easy 2 tips and tricks. And I'm Ken. So with no further ado, let me show you what's going on here. This is an update. And we're going to show you how to cure the cast iron. But first, there's the cleaning process when they're rusty and looking like they're ready to be thrown away. Don't throw them away. They're very savable, exceedingly savable. On my prior videos, you've seen where there was a lizard crawled up into the pot somehow with the metal lid on it, cast iron lid. And it was just a shed of that lizard. And it was dirty, really dirty. Last night on my video, I poured some of my secret sauce into it, which I'll be revealing Saturday when we go live around 11 a.m. California time, where we're going to be doing the seasoning process. And it's a challenge and a collab with RG Homestead. And we will be showing you our processes for quickly seasoning the skillets, pots, pans, etc., whatever it may be. Process is the same. But we have different techniques for doing it. Old school was you made a coal bed, you dug a fire pit, you put coals, then you took your pots, pans, put it on the coals, buried it, or put the coals in the pans, whatever, buried it, and then dug them up the next day or 2 days later. And then they would go through the oiling process. Then update. We now have stoves, and so they would stick them in the oven and let them cure, let them get hot, and for 2-3 hours, 4 hours. Everybody had their own little way of doing it. And so RG has a quick way of seasoning the skillet, pans, pots, this cast iron. I have a very quick way to cure, season the cast iron, and so it's a competition on who's going to do it faster. And so that's this coming Saturday, the 13th of June. Alright, now let me show you this update on what's going on with these pots and this muffin pan. I'm first going to show you the pot and the lid. Alright, now you're going to see some bubbling. Alright, you'll see some movement here in the bubbles. Okay, see those bubbles forming? You'll see some bubbles come up here in a minute. Alright, and this is the cleaning process. It's going deep into the pores of the metal and cleaning out any dirt, rust, and anything that may be in there. Alright, I'm trying to show you. Okay, we're seeing some movement right in this area. If I can get the right location here. Alright, right in here there's some movement going on. Some little bitty bubbles taking place. Alright, so you can see that this is really active here. Let me see if I can get it down here where you can see what I'm seeing. Maybe like this. You just heard a bubble pop. Alright. There's a bubble forming, getting ready to pop there, as gases and sediment is being removed. Alright, now let me show you something. This is a scary thought, but remember, this was filthy dirty. And my secret sauce, which I will reveal Saturday when we go live. And it'll be all in, so you'll be able to put your link in the chat, but stick around. Don't just drop a link and disappear. I say minimum of 10 minutes. Stick it out at least, and comment. Make comments, ask questions, talk to other people in the chat. But be active in the chat if you're going to leave your link. Alright? Because it can be deleted. That only makes it fair. Alright, there's more activity here. Maybe I can show you this activity that I'm seeing now. There we go. That's at the right angle. Okay, I'm going to show you this muffin pan. Okay, so you can see the bubbles coming up. There's little bitty ones. There you go. Now you can see some of that activity. There it is. That's what I've been wanting to show you. There's the activity. Now the dirtier the pan, the more active it's going to be. Okay? So, this muffin pan was really grody. Really grody. Gross. And let me show you. If you look at my video last night, you see I had took a scrubber, this metal scrubber, scourer, and I scrubbed in there, okay, on all of it. And let me show you this. Are you ready? We're making muffins. Look at that. Muffins, folks. That's not brownies. That is sludge. Look at this. Sludge. It's cleaning this. Okay? I wish I could drain it, because you would see how good this is looking already. Now I'll be doing a video on that tomorrow when I clean them. Alright, I'll be doing the final cleaning tomorrow. But as you see, this is not brownies, folks. Alright? It's rust and crud. Alright? And this was really bad. I mean, the handle here, you know, I mean, you can see in the side of this pot, they were really rusty. Okay? Now, like I said, you do the before. You look at them last night before I put them in my last video. Okay, and this is a lid. This here is a lid to the pan, to the muffin pan. Alright, I just got it immersed here. This is the lip to the rim of the pan, lid. Alright, so that's the lid we're looking at. And Sane Enterprise. If you don't know who Sane Enterprise, check him out. Victor Sane, Sane Auto, same guy. Good station, good channel. But anyways, this is the lid I have in my pot here. So it's completely immersed. And you'll be seeing this. I've got it propped up and balanced, or I'd take it out. So this is an update on how to clean your cast iron skillets, pots, pans, etc. And you're seeing proof is in the pudding. Proof is in the muffins. Not. Funny how that comes out. And so I'm looking forward to showing you what this is going to look like tomorrow. And then again Saturday I'll be telling you what my secret sauce is that I put in here that cleans this. Okay? This was obviously much dirtier than this. Okay? So there they are. And I'll be doing the cleanup to finish our final tomorrow, which I'll do the update on. So, let's repeat and repeat. So, appreciate you being here. Appreciate your time. Saturday will be a lot of fun. We're going to cure the pans. The challenge and the bet is in curing the pans, who can do it the fastest, whose technique is the fastest. And then we're going to be talking about it and going in detail. Then we're going to cook in these pots, pans, or muffin pan, that I'm cleaning. This pot is extra. This is one I had got a long time ago, along with about the same time I got this one. And it was time to clean the pot. Well, I'm doing just kill two birds with one stone. So, all right. So this is the update, and I'll be doing one more tomorrow. I look forward to hear from you. And remember, Saturday will be an all-in. If you put your link in the chat, you got to stick around about 10 minutes, and it's a win-win-win. Tell a friend about EasyTube tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Bye for now, and keep looking up, and never give up, because there's always a way, always.